Install is simple, and you won't need any tools and barely any time.
Start by assembling the glove box organizer on the bench. Lay out the large main piece with the text facing upwards. Assemble the 4 small parts, sliding the dovetail into the main part until it locks into position. Next, align the 4 slots in the last piece with the 4 smaller pieces. Slide the long piece into position until it locks with the small pieces. Check to be sure everything is snapped into place. The dividers are an exact fit, preventing any movement once installed. Lastly, add the 2 pieces of Velcro to the marked locations on the bottom plate. Check the fit before removing the adhesive strip on the Velcro. Remove the Velcro adhesive. Now it's ready to install in the glove box, and lower it into position. This is a great and inexpensive upgrade to your Tacoma.